Welcome to all of you and very good morning to all of you. Today we shall discuss the new topic of this chapter, minors and cofactors of an element of a determinant. So first we shall learn what are the minors and cofactors of determinants. First we shall discuss minors. The definition of minor: the minor of an element Aij is the general element of the determinant. All of you know very well. Aij is the general element of the determinant. So the minor of an element Aij of a determinant is a determinant. Means minor of every element is also a determinant. Is a determinant obtained by deleting its ith row. Ith row means first element lies in which row, and jth column element lies in which column, in which element Aij lies. It means, suppose we have to find out the minor of an element A23. A23 means element lies in second row, third column. So the minor of that element is obtained by deleting second row and third column. We will get the remaining subdeterminant gives the value of minor of that element, and the minor of Aij is denoted by Mij. I have told you that minor of every element of the determinant is also a determinant. So this is the most important note. The minor of an element of a determinant of order n, but n must be greater than equal to 2, is a determinant of order n minus 1. Find the minor of, we can take one example, find the minor of element 6 in this determinant. Where is the 6? 6 is the element lies in second row, third column. So second row, third column means minor of A23, second row, third column, denoted by N23, is obtained by deleting second row and third column. सेकेंड रो थर्ड कॉलम जब आप डिलीट करेंगे तो आपको बचेगा 1 2 7 8 1 2 7 8. This is also determinant. Minor of every element is also a determinant. So this value, the value of this determinant is given by 8 minus 14. This is equal to minus 6. This is the minor of element 6. Minus 6 is the minor of A23. Similar, we can find the minor of each element. Minor of 1 is obtained by deleting first row, first column. This gives the minor of this element. Second element, minor of element 2, deleting that column and that row. About 6 7 9, that gives the value of minor of the second element. Third element, deleting that column and that row. 4 5 7 8 gives the value of minor of the third element of the determinant. Similar, we can find the minor of each element of the determinant with the help of this equation. Is that clear? So you can easily see that the minor of an element, the order of this determinant is 3. So the minor of this element is the order of n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. And the minor of this element is order of determinant of order 2. So we can easily verify that this result, the minor of an element of a determinant of order n, but n greater than equal to 2 is a determinant of order n minus 1. So this is the definition of minor. Similar, we shall discuss new definition cofactor. तो So what is the difference between minus and cofactor? The cofactor of an element Ai is similar. Ai is the general element of the matrix. It is denoted by capital Aij. Here minor is denoted by Mij and cofactor is denoted by Aij, capital Aij. It is defined as Aij equal to minus 1 power I plus j Mij, where Mij you know very well, Mij is the minor of that element. So what is the difference between minus and cofactor? माइनस में अगर हम प्लस या माइनस साइन एप्लीकेबल करते हैं, जैसे फर्स्ट एलिमेंट जो होगा a11 I is 1 j is 1, so minus 1 power 1 plus 1 is 2 positive. Second element, cofactor of second element, this element is first row second column, a12 1 plus 2 minus 1 power 3, so this is negative. It means cofactor of this positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. It means minor gives minor can be find with the help of this result, and cofactor minus में अगर हम प्लस माइनस अल्टरनेट साइन यूज कर लें तो हमको क्या मिल जाएगा, cofactor मिल जाएगा. सिमिलर वी कैन गिव वन एग्जांपल. फाइंड द माइनस एंड cofactors of all elements of the determinant. First element of determinant is minor of a11. a11 means this first row, first column denoted by m11 equal to, deleting that row and that column, so only we shall find only determinant of order 3, so this value is 3. Similar, m12 minor of this element, deleting that row and that column, so this is 4, is equal to 4. m21 minus 2, so this is minus 2. Don't forget that this is the sign of determinant, not the modulus. m22, that one dot column, so this is 1. So these are the minors of each element of this. Similar, we can find the cofactor. Cofactor is denoted by a11 according to the rule, minus 1 पे power 1 plus 1 plus 1 into Mij, and value of m11 is 3, so this is plus 1 into 3, so this is 3. a12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 m12, so this sign is negative and m12 is 4, so this is minus 4. a21 minus 1 power 2 plus 1, that is into m21, so this is again minus and this is minus, so this is minus 2 equal to 2. a22 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 2 m22, this is positive and value of this m22 is also positive, so this minus 3 minus 4 2 and 1. It means these are the minors and these are the cofactors of same element. So I think all of you are very comfortable to find the minors and cofactors of every element. Now we shall discuss one most important rule. What are the rules? All of you know very well. Rule is that rule 1. What is the rule 1? Rule 1 is that if each element of a row or column are multiplied by cofactors of same element, then their sum gives the value of determinant. I think you feel some uncomfortable. We can take one example. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Rule 1 is that if each element of a row or column are multiplied by the cofactors of same element, then their sum each gives the value of determinants. What is the meaning of this? आप थर्ड ऑर्डर की डिटर्मिनेंट का एक्सपेंशन करना जानते हैं. हाउ कैन वी एक्सपेंड दिस? वी कैन एक्सपेंड एनी डिटर्मिनेंट आइदर along any row or along any column. A11, look at very carefully. A11, this is the element deleting that row and that column. This is called the cofactor. So this denoted by capital A. Similar. Plus A12, deleting that row and that column, and this gives the value of cofactor of A12 plus A13 and A13. वो बात की बात है कि ये पॉजिटिव होगा, ये नेगेटिव होगा. तो याद होगा जब भी हम एक्सपेंशन करते थे तो यहाँ पर क्या था माइनस साइन. यहाँ पर 1 + 3 4 होने से प्लस से प्लस हो जाएगा. इसीलिए यहाँ पर क्या लेते थे, माइनस साइन लेते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि इस एलिमेंट का कोफैक्टर कैसा होगा, नेगेटिव होगा. दिस एक्सपेंशन दिस रिजल्ट गिव्स द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट जो कि हम एक्सपेंड करते थे. मतलब क्या होगा, किसी भी रो को लेना, किसी भी रो के एलिमेंट्स को उसी रो के कोफैक्टर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके अगर ऐड किया जाए, दैट गिव्स द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट. सिमिलर हम क्या करते हैं, आप ये भी समझते होंगे कि A11 की वैल्यू कितनी होगी. यहाँ पर आपको मालूम है, हम यहाँ पर लिख दे रहे हैं. A11 कितना होगा, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. A22 A33 माइनस A32 A23 प्लस A12, ये हो जाएगा आपका और ये हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर चूंकि इसका निगेटिव हो चुका है, यहाँ पे माइनस आ जाएगा. और ये A21 A33 माइनस A31 A23 एंड प्लस A13 एंड इट्स वैल्यू इज A13 this row and this column A21 A32 minus A31 A22. This is the expansion of the determinant. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, यहां से हमको क्या मिलेगा, डिटरमिनेंट का एक्सपेंशन मिल जाएगा. इसी रूल को हम चेंज करेंगे. रूल 2 क्या है हमारा, if each element of a row or column are multiplied by the cofactors of any other row, same row नहीं, any other row or column, cofactors of the elements of any other row or column, then their sum must be equal to 0. If each element of a row or column are multiplied with the cofactors of any other row or columns, then their sum is 0. हम इसका वेरिफिकेशन कर लेते हैं कि क्या अगर एलिमेंट लेते हैं और उसी एलिमेंट के कोफैक्टर लेते हैं और मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करते हैं तो डिटरमिनेंट मिलता है। एलिमेंट लिए किसी भी रो के और किसी अदर रो के कोफैक्टर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करेंगे तो वैल्यू कितनी आनी चाहिए? 0 आनी चाहिए। ये रूल 2 कहते हैं हमारा। चेक कर लेते हैं, वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं। हमने एलिमेंट ले लिया फर्स्ट, उसके साथ कोफैक्टर इसके ले रहे हैं a21 इज द कोफैक्टर ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट प्लस a12 कोफैक्टर ऑफ a22 प्लस a13 cofactor of a23. This cofactor must be negative because 2 plus 1 is 3, so minus 1 by power 3 is negative, positive, negative. So here a1 and value of this minus होगा। माइनस क्या होगा? ये रो और ये कॉलम डिलीट करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा a12 a13 a32 a33 प्लस a12 a11 a13, क्योंकि ये रो और ये कॉलम डिलीट करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा a11 a13 a31 a33 प्लस माइनस a13 अगेन a23 इसका और ये a11 a12 और लास्ट वाला a31 a32 दिस वैल्यू माइनस a11 a12 a33 माइनस a13 a32 प्लस a12 a11 a33 माइनस a13 a31 माइनस a13 a11 a32 माइनस a31 a12। इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे अंदर तो माइनस में मिलेगा a11 a12 a33 प्लस कब हो जाएगा a11 a13 a32 प्लस a12 a11 a33 माइनस a12 a13 a31 माइनस a13 a11 a32 प्लस a13 a31 एंड a12। आप देख सकते हो 3 आर पॉजिटिव 3 आर नेगेटिव। 11 12 33 11 12 33 this is negative and this is positive। 11 13 32 11 13 32 11 13 32 negative positive 12 13 32 12 13 32 so this value will become 0। So I think all of you are comfortable with these two properties. If each element of a determinant, if each element of a row or column of a determinant are multiplied by the cofactors of same elements, then their sum must be equal to the value of determinant, or on the other hand, their sum must be equal to 0. Is that clear? So these are two most important properties for further results. Now we shall discuss some questions regarding on this topic. Now we shall come on exercise 4.4. So what is the exercise 4.4? Exercise 4.4 is that first question, write minor and cofactors of the element of the following determinants. हम एक काम करते हैं, वैसे आपको बता चुके हैं, फिर भी हम एक एग्जांपल ले ले रहे हैं. फर्स्ट का सेकंड पार्ट लेते हैं, ए बी सी डी. आप माइनस और कोफैक्टर्स निकालना जानते हैं, हमने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया था. सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं माइनस ऑफ एलिमेंट डिनोटेड बाय m11. सो दिस वैल्यू इज d, m12 that row and that column, c m21 b m22 a. These are the minor cofactors. Minus 1 power I plus j means 1 plus 1 into m11. So this is positive and m11 is d. So cofactor is also d. a12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 m12. So this is negative and m12 is c. So minus c. a21 minus 1 by power 2 plus 1 m21 equal to, this is again negative, this is minus b. a22 minus 1 by power 2 plus 2 m22. So this is positive and m22 value is a. So these are the minor and these are the cofactors. Similar we can find the other problem number 2 and the first part of this question. Now we shall come to question number 3. What is the question number 3? Question number 3 is that using cofactors of elements of second row. Third, using cofactors of elements of second row इवैल्यूएट करना है हमको. डिटरमिनेंट है हमारे पास 5 3 8 2 0 1 1 2 3. कोफैक्टर्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेकंड रो, ये है सेकंड रो. तो 2 and cofactor of this element a12 and capital A12. This is plus a22 capital A22 a23 a23. Cofactor of this is negative and value of this is 2 and the value of cofactor is, deleting that row and that column, 3 8 2 3. This is positive, so 0, due to 0 this whole quantity becomes 0, plus a23 again negative 1, negative due to this row and this column, 5 3 1 2. 5, 3, 1, 2. Minus 2, 9 minus 16. Minus 10 minus 3. This equal to 14 minus 7 equal to 7. This gives the value of determinant by using the cofactors of elements of second row. Similar, you can complete the question number 4 and question number 5 is also the most important question, and it is the multiple choice questions. So question number 5 is that what is the question number 5? Determinant is given. You can see this is the question number 5. Determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, 31, A32, A33. Where Aij is a cofactor of Aij, then the value of determinant is given by 4 options are there. A11, A31, A12, A32, A13, A33. B part A11, A12 plus A12, A21, A13, A3. C part A21, A11, A22, A12, A23, A13. D A11, A11, A21, A21 plus A31, A3. आपको ये बताना है इसका कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। अभी मैंने आपको 2 रूल बताए थे। एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एनी रो और कॉलम are multiplied with the cofactors of same element gives the value of determinant, but with the cofactors of any other row or column, then their sum gives 0. Element cofactor of other, element cofactor of same, but here cofactors of other. Elements 2 1 cofactors of other, element cofactor of that element, element cofactor of that element, element of. So this result gives the value of determinant, other gives their sum is 0. So this is the verification, and this verification is most important for the upcoming exam, upcoming exercises. So in this video we have discussed only this. In my next video we shall discuss adjoint of a matrix. This is the most important part of this determinant. So adjoint, how will you find the adjoint of a matrix, of a square matrix, and some properties, some theorems regarding the adjoint of a matrix. So in this video that is sufficient. We shall discuss something new in my next video. So thank you all once again. Thanks to all.